How to make money with $0. Are you interested in learning ways to make money? Do you have bills to pay or a bucket list filled with adventure but no money in your pocket? Will you be interested in finding out ways through which you will be able to make a handsome sum of money without any initial investment cost? If the answer to any of these questions was a yes, you're at the right place. Today's video is all about learning ways to make money with $0. Yes, you heard that right. Seems too good to be true. But wait till the end of the video to find out a couple of ways through which you can make money without actually having to spend a single dime. But before we proceed with the video, make sure that you've subscribed to the channel and have also pressed the notification bell so that you're notified every time a new video is posted on our channel. Number 1. Start freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent way of making money. The biggest perk of freelancing is the fact that you can work as per your own schedule. You can find long-term clients or can work on a project basis as well. You will be your own boss and can work from home. There are plenty of freelancing platforms that you can sign up for. While some platforms do require some investment, there are others where signing up for an account is totally free. From writing to coding, teaching, and even graphic designing, you will find a diverse range of services to choose from. You can offer your services to clients from all around the world and make money while sitting at home. You always have an option to independently sell your services through various platforms such as LinkedIn, Fiverr, and Upwork. Also, there are hundreds of other marketplaces that focus on a certain category of skills. Just make sure you learn a valuable skill that carries huge potential. Many technical skills are seen to be more revenue-generating, and seller competition is relatively lower in such markets. Number 2. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant job is also a great source of making money without actually having to step out of your house. Plus, it's a job that doesn't require a lot of hard work or a special set of expertise or qualification. The number of entrepreneurs and freelancers is increasing by the day, and such people do require help in managing their schedules and helping with some common tasks. As a virtual assistant, you'll be doing some research work, replying to emails, answering comments, and booking appointments, etc. All you need to work as a virtual assistant is a laptop and an active internet connection. And since this job is paid per hour, you'll be able to make money by the hour and adjust the working hours depending on your availability and convenience. Number 3. Work as a content writer, creator. In the modern era, content is everywhere. We consume content in different forms on a regular basis, from articles and blogs to videos, as well as pictures. All of these are types of content. Companies and businesses are also always on the look for people who can come up with content for them. Working as a content writer or creator is a very rewarding job that is perfect for people who are quite creative. You can not only work for a company or a client, but can also start your own blog. Content also comes in different shapes and forms. If you are more creative and you have good communication skills, then you can try out copywriting, which is a valuable and high-paying skill. Blogging is also not limited to websites anymore. You can also use social media platforms to start your personal blogs. Once you've developed a regular audience, you'll soon find companies and products reaching out to you for promotions and collaboration. This means that you'll be able to get a lot of free stuff as PR and will also be paid to review and share your opinion on the products. Number 4. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is also a profitable way of making money. Many people assume that they have to own a professional camera and setup to be able to make high-quality videos, but in reality, this is not the case at all. All you need is any camera and a computer which you can use to edit your videos. Wait, even that is not necessary. You can start recording videos on your phone and also edit them using some video editing apps. Select a niche and start making videos. From entertainment to infotainment, there's a lot of variety in terms of niches that you can select to make videos about. You will soon start gaining subscribers and your watch time will increase. Another perk of considering YouTube as a means of making money is the fact that it is also a source of passive income. This means that whenever someone will watch your videos, you will make money, even if the videos were posted years ago. Number 5. Complete online paid surveys. Data is extremely valuable and companies and researchers are always looking for ways to collect data. Therefore, you will find ample opportunities online where you can participate in the surveys and make money. Filling surveys is no big deal. You will be able to complete a survey within a minute's max. These types of surveys vary quite a bit. Some surveys comprise multiple choice questions, while others have some questions that might require a few line answers. But all in all, this is not a task that will take too much time or drain you in terms of energy. You will not even have to hunt for the paid surveys yourself. There are a handful of websites that list paid surveys. So all you need to do is sign up for an account on these websites and you will automatically receive the paid surveys in your email inbox. Number 6. Offer transcription services. Transcription is also a service that sells like hotcakes. Plus, it is a task that is quite interesting as well. You'll be watching videos on different topics and then recreating them in a written form. You can also think of this job as a person who would be writing subtitles. There are plenty of jobs in the market that ask for a transcriber. You can also find such jobs on freelancing platforms. Some websites and projects pay per video, while other employers may pay you on a monthly basis. But all in all, it is a job that does not require any type of monetary investment. You just need a laptop or a phone to watch videos and then type the transcription on. Are you impressed by any of these ways through which you can make money? Have you made up your mind about which way of making money are you interested in pursuing? Let us know by leaving a comment. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you are interested in learning about more ways through which you can make money and lead a comfortable life.